Dear students, welcome you all. Today we will be discussing about the grammar point, that is the noun phrase chapter 5 meant for class 9. In this short video we will be talking about what is a phrase, what is a noun, what is a noun phrase, what are the elements of the noun phrase, what is the order of the elements of the noun phrase, and finally we will do some act based on the noun phrase. Let's see what is a phrase. A phrase is a word or a group of words which are meaningfully related, but that is not a sentence having subject and verb. For example, a good boy. This is a phrase. He is a good boy. This is a clause or a sentence. This is not a phrase because it has subject and verb. Okay. Now we shall move to a noun. You all know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. For example, man, cat, dog, book. These are the nouns you all know. Then what is a noun phrase? In short, we call it NP. Noun phrase is a phrase having one or more than one words in which or whose head word is a noun. You see the examples: birds, a flower, a little flower. In these examples, birds, single word, a flower, two words, a small flower, three words, and these are the noun phrases. In these noun phrases, you mark the heads: birds, flower, flower. These are the head words. The head words, and these head words are nouns. That's why these phrases are called noun phrases. Let's now discuss three important elements of a noun phrase or NP. Okay, let's have that example: a small bottle, my small bottle, this small bottle, any small bottle, every small bottle, which small bottle. Okay, so you see these noun phrases. Each noun phrase has three words, and you must mark the head word, that is bottle, that is the noun, and before that noun you find two words: small, small, small. These small word is called an adjective because small describes about bottle, and the first words, oh, my, this, any, every, which, these are called determiners. So three important elements of an NP or noun phrase are determiners, adjectives, and head noun. Can you mark here? Head noun comes at the end of the phrase. Moreover, numbers can be used in a noun phrase. Now, look at the pictures. You see first row two flowers, second row four flowers, third row, fourth row, four flowers each. We want to talk about the first row. What would you say? The first two little flowers. In this phrase, You mark here numbers come before the adjectives. Here numbers like first and two that come before the adjective little. Can you add any more elements to the noun phrase? Let's see. Suppose these flowers are made of paper and we call them paper flowers. Okay? So the word paper will come before the head noun and our noun phrase now becomes the first two little paper flowers. So paper is a noun, but in this phrase, this works like an adjective, but that paper is not an adjective. So these are called classifiers. So we can say, learn that we learn that classifiers come before the head noun or just after the adjectives. Okay, here are some examples of the classifiers: Nokia phone, stone house, science college, plastic bottle. Here, Nokia, stone, science, plastic, these words are called classifiers. You see, these are small flowers. So we can modify the adjective here. We can say the first two very small paper flowers. So word very that intensify to the adjective, that is called intensifiers. So our noun phrase now becomes the first two very small paper flowers. Okay. So from this you can mark the order. First of all, we use determiners, then numbers like first two, next intensifier, then adjectives, then classifiers, finally the head noun. Can you think of what can be used before the determiner? Yes, before the determiners, some words can be used which are called predeterminers. These are all, both, half. We will take the same example. Both the first two very little paper flower. Here, both is the predeterminer. This is about the noun phrase. Let's now do some activities based on noun phrase. Check the answers. Activity 2. Make noun phrases using the jumbled words. My dog pet. What will be the noun phrase? My pet dog. Two farmers the. Answer is the two farmers. Third one. First his film. What will the answer? His first film. Garden, school, our beautiful. Our beautiful school garden. Last three, the girls young very. The last three very young girls. Here is another activity for you. Try yourself. Okay, this is about today's lesson. Hope you all enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video.